Hi friends, we are playing hide and seek and I can't find my friends. Can you help me find them? They're hiding with their moms and dads. So if you spot them, shout their names as loud as you can. They are all animals that you can find in Zimbabwe. Are you ready? Let's go.
What did you say?
Quiet.
Oh yes, look, it's Giraffe and her baby. A baby giraffe is a calf. Hello. Good job, you guys. Let's keep on looking.
Who's that hiding over there? It's elephant and baby elephant or calf. A baby elephant is called a calf.
Who's over there? Who's hiding? Do you see? It's Buffalo and her baby. A baby buffalo is called a calf. Calf. Thanks for helping, you guys. You guys are awesome.
Let's keep on looking. What do you see?
Oh no, you found us!
Is that a rhino? Yes, it's Rhino and her baby. A baby rhino is called a calf.
Let's keep looking. Who's that? What did you say?
Peekaboo!
Is that Hippo?
I see you.
Yes, it's Hippo and her baby calf. A baby hippo is called a calf. Check it out, you guys. A baby giraffe, a baby elephant,
A baby buffalo, a baby rhino,
and a baby hippo are all called calves.
Aww. Let's keep looking. Who do we have here? Do you see them? It's Tortoise. Hello, Tortoise. And is that her baby or hatchling? A baby tortoise is called a hatchling.
Let's keep looking. Who's that? Who could that be? Is it a crocodile? And her baby? A baby crocodile is called a hatchling. Good job, you guys.
Let's keep looking. Who's that? Yes, it's Ostrich and her baby. A baby ostrich is called a hatchling. Wow!
A baby tortoise, a baby crocodile,
And a baby ostrich are all called hatchling. Cute!
Let's carry on looking. Found you! That's Zebra and her baby, or foal. A baby zebra is called a foal.
Aww.
You guys are awesome.
Who's hiding? Is that Duck? Yes, it is Duck. It's Duck and her baby duckling. A baby duck is called a duckling. Good job, you guys.
Who do we have here? Do you see them? Yes, that's a lion and his cub.
Who's that?
Quiet.
Who could that be? Yes, it's Fox and baby fox or cub. Thanks for helping. Let's keep looking.
Hi,
Who's that? Yes, that's leopard and baby leopard, or cub.
You'll never find us.
Who's hiding? Where are they? That's cheetah and baby cheetah or cub. Thank you. Let's carry on looking.
Quiet. Be quiet.
Where are they? There they are. It's hyena and baby hyena or cub.
Did you notice something? A baby lion, a baby fox,
A baby leopard, a baby cheetah,
and a baby hyena are all called cub. Isn't that amazing? Aww!
Let's keep looking. What did you see? Is that wolf? Yes, it's wolf and baby wolf. A baby wolf is called a pup. Good job.
Who's that? Is that them? Yes, found you. It's a wild dog. And baby wild dog or pup.
Hiding.
Oh, look! Who's that? Is that bat?
Blah, 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 blah.
Yes, it is. And baby bat or pup.
Aww! Let's keep looking. Who's that? Can you see them?
You'll never find us.
Yes, it's otter and baby otter or pup. You're amazing. Well done.
Did you see that? A baby wolf, a baby wild dog
A baby bat and a baby otter.
are all called pup. They're such
Cute pups. Aww.
What do we have here? Is that baboon? Yes, it's baboon and baby baboon or infant. Let's carry on looking.
Hiding.
Who do we have here? It's hare
Oh no, you found us.
and baby hare or leveret. Hello.
Who do you see? Who could that be? Yes, it's a rabbit and baby rabbit or kit. Hello.
Who's hiding? Do you see them? It's squirrel and baby squirrel or kitten. Let's keep looking.
Found you. It's deer and her baby deer or fawn. Hello.
Look. Who's that? Do you see them? Yes, it's warthog and baby warthog or piglet. Hello.
Look, friends. What do we have here?
Aww.
It's bush baby and her baby galagos.
Hello. Hello, bird. We see you and a baby bird or chick. We found you. Let's keep looking, friends.
Who do you see? Who's there? Is that eagle? Yes, it's eagle and baby eagle or eaglet.
Who was that? Did you hear that? It's owl. Hello, owl and baby owl or owlet.
Hello, who's that? You're right, it's pigeon and baby pigeon or squab. Hello, squab. Let's keep looking.
Who's there? Wow, it's peacock. Hello, peacock. How are you? And it's baby peacock or chick. We found you.
What did you say? Is that them? Where are they? There they are. Well spotted, friends. That's monkey and baby monkey or infant. Good job.
Who did you see? Where are they hiding? It's goose and baby goose or gosling.
Hello there. We found you. It's Swan and Baby Swan, or Signet. Let's carry on looking.
Quiet, be quiet.
Who's hiding? Who do you see? Yes, it's Porcupine and Baby Porcupine, or Porcupet. Hello, Porcupet.
Let's keep on looking. What was that sound? Who's that? Yes, it's Frog and Baby Frog, or Tadpole. Hello, Tadpole.
Thanks so much for helping us, guys.
We found all our friends now.
We couldn't have done it without you.
Do you want to watch this video in Shona?
Then check out the Shona version on Sarura Kids YouTube channel now.
It's called Learning Shona through Safari Expeditions.
See you later!